What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny, hot summer Friday day today. We have a very fun weekend planned this weekend. Fun weekend, so we're doing lots of Jeep maintenance. Kind of some normal standard things like oil change, tires being rotated, the front and rear diff fluid, and then I have a leaky inner axle seal. Oh my goodness, my dog is on crack cocaine. The biggest job is going to be replacing my inner axle seal on my Dana 30. The shop quoted me like $300 or $400 to do the job, and I'm gonna be able to do it for like 20 bucks. So yeah, I'm not gonna go too in depth on like step-by-step process. So this isn't like a how-to video, it's just more of showing you guys what I'm working on this weekend. So yeah, let's go into the garage and get to work. All right guys, so got our oil here, the gear oil and the engine oil. Got my oil filter. These are the inner axle seals that I'll be replacing. This is definitely gonna be a job, so we'll see how that goes. Here's that leaky axle seal. You can see the fluids coming out right there. Over here is actually the seal itself, but it's seeping through the tube down there, so gonna be really fun. That's a huge bolt, man. There goes the axle shaft. All right, just got both axle shafts removed. Now I'm gonna take the diff cover off, got all the fluid, drain out, and take the front gear assembly out. Yummy. If you've never done this before, this stuff smells awful. Let's get this garbage off of this thing. These are the Yukon 456s, by the way. They look fine. I don't see any metal or anything like that. Just got the bearing race cap covers. I honestly don't know. I need to learn some vocabulary here. Anyway, got those off, and now I'm about to take out the carrier. I got it loose. I'm gonna hold on to the bearings. Maybe. Yes, it's possible. So just so you guys know, I am not by any means a mechanic. That's kind of why I wanted to make this video, is like just express like, you know, I'm just an average guy. This stuff is actually pretty easy, and you can save a lot of money by learning from some simple videos and whatnot. So hopefully this will help you guys. So I got this bearing driver kit, and I'm kind of jimmy rigging this. This is a part off my bike rack, and it fits perfectly in here. So, and this fits inside the axle tube, so I think it'll be perfect to drive the inner seal out. That was freaking easy. Wow. All right, I think I found the culprit. See that bend on the flange there? I think that was what was causing the leak. All right, we just got the seals put in. They actually weren't too bad. All right, quick update. The carrier is back in. It was actually really easy to put back in. Everything's torqued down. Before I put the axle shafts back in and refill the diff, I'm gonna kind of try to knock some of this rust off of the knuckle. I'm actually gonna use some of this Pour 15 that I used on the frame, paint over rust. So hopefully that can make the knuckles look a little better. So yeah, real quick, I'm gonna take a wire brush and kind of knock off the big chunks. All right, good morning, guys. Stayed up really late last night and really scraped all of the huge chunks of rust off of the knuckle and just everywhere over here. That took a long time, but I think it was worth it. And then got some of that Pour 15 stuff, and it's all dry on here now. Anyway, I think this will be pretty good. I don't know how long it'll last, but I think it looks a lot better, and it'll kind of cut down on future rust. I just pulled the drain plug on the oil pan. Got that going, and then I think I'm gonna get ready to seal the front diff up. I'm gonna lay a bead of RTV on this freshly painted diff cover. We got the old oil filter off. Got the diff cover on, all sealed up. All right, right when it starts to overflow, you know that's full. So got the rear diff taken out. I mean, excuse me, got the fluid drained out of the rear diff. Gears look really great. All right, guys, I think that about wraps up all of the maintenance. Finished putting the rear diff cover on, changed the fluid out. I think the very last thing I'll do is put some of this injector cleaner in it. I don't really know if this works very well or what, but no, it won't hurt. Yeah, so we got the inner axle seal done, oil change, tires rotated. We changed both front and rear diff fluid, and we're gonna put some fuel injector cleaner in there. So it should run much better. Not that it ran bad before, but should run really smooth. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Kona says thank you too for all of his hard work. Be looking out for the second video for the spring cleaning series. That's gonna be more cosmetic, so hopefully make this Jeep look really, really good from a cosmetic standpoint. So thank you guys so much. Have a good one.